Hello, dear listeners. Welcome to day 2 of our 5-day English challenge. I'm thrilled to see your progress. Today, we're moving deeper into conversation, introducing fresh phrases that help you express feelings, describe daily actions, and spark new interactions. Remember, every time you speak, you gain more confidence. Let's immerse ourselves in the rhythm of English and celebrate every little victory. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Good day to all. Good day to all. I'm Olivia and excited to learn with you. I'm Olivia and excited to learn with you. It's wonderful to see you smiling today. It's wonderful to see you smiling today. How are you feeling right now? How are you feeling right now? Are you ready for another great practice session? Are you ready for another great practice session? Let's begin our chat with a warm hello. Let's begin our chat with a warm hello. Every greeting is a new start. Every greeting is a new start. What made you smile when you woke up this morning? What made you smile when you woke up this morning? Great start! Reflect on these greetings and try repeating them aloud with enthusiasm. How did saying hello in a new way make you feel? I feel inspired today. I feel inspired today. I feel curious about life. I feel curious about life. I feel joyful and ready to practice. I feel joyful and ready to practice. I feel determined to improve my English. I feel determined to improve my English. I appreciate every moment of learning. I appreciate every moment of learning. What emotion fills you when you try something new? What emotion fills you when you try something new? Do you feel more confident with every phrase? Do you feel more confident with every phrase? Share one feeling that you experienced today. Share one feeling that you experienced today. Expression is key. Let your feelings shine through. Expression is key. Let your feelings shine through. Does this new way of speaking uplift you? Does this new way of speaking uplift you? Amazing work. Embrace your feelings and let them guide your practice. How can you use these expressions in your daily conversations? I am reading an interesting book. I am reading an interesting book. I am writing my thoughts in a journal. I am writing my thoughts in a journal. I am listening to uplifting music. I am listening to uplifting music. I am cooking a delicious meal. I am cooking a delicious meal. I am enjoying a peaceful walk outside. I am enjoying a peaceful walk outside. What activity brought you joy today? What activity brought you joy today? Did you try something new in your routine? Did you try something new in your routine? How do simple activities make you feel when described in English? How do simple activities make you feel when described in English? Share a daily action that energizes you each morning. Share a daily action that energizes you each morning. Every routine is an opportunity to practice. Every routine is an opportunity to practice. Fantastic! Linking language to your day-to-day activities makes learning real. Which activity will you describe next time you speak English? I met a kind neighbor today. I met a kind neighbor today. I had a friendly chat with a coworker. I had a friendly chat with a coworker. I shared a laugh with someone special. I shared a laugh with someone special. I enjoyed a moment of kindness with a stranger. I enjoyed a moment of kindness with a stranger. I listened carefully to a good story. I listened carefully to a good story. Who made your day a little brighter today? Who made your day a little brighter today? Did you notice any acts of kindness around you? Did you notice any acts of kindness around you? What was the most interesting conversation you had? What was the most interesting conversation you had? Observing others helps us learn new expressions. What did you notice? Observing others helps us learn new expressions. What did you notice? Remember, connections enrich our language and our lives. Remember, connections enrich our language and our lives. Wonderful. Reflect on your social moments and see how language describes the warmth of human interaction. Who inspired you today? What is your favorite song right now? What is your favorite song right now? Which place makes you feel most relaxed? Which place makes you feel most relaxed? Can you share your favorite hobby in English? Can you share your favorite hobby in English? Where would you love to travel someday? Where would you love to travel someday? How do you express gratitude every day? How do you express gratitude every day? What new word or phrase excited you during practice? What new word or phrase excited you during practice? Is there a question you wish to ask about English culture? Is there a question you wish to ask about English culture? Which topic would you like to discuss with a friend? Which topic would you like to discuss with a friend? How do you feel when you discover a new phrase? How do you feel when you discover a new phrase? What motivates you to keep learning? What motivates you to keep learning? Engage and share. These questions are designed to make you think and respond. Try answering one of them aloud and notice how your confidence grows. What part of today's challenge excited you the most? Every phrase and question today is an opportunity to explore, feel, and engage in English. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through your words. I'm here celebrating every moment with you. Keep that spark alive, and I'll see you tomorrow for another exciting lesson. Happy practicing, and remember, you're doing wonderfully.